So let me recap this. When we're looking for a top, we want to see multiple bars with high volume. Remember to compare the intraday. We want to see that the daily bars that have high volume are closing above their 50% line. We want to see that the market is at a relative new high. When we start to see dojis and shooting stars at this new high, that's a clue that this top is beginning to be put in. We want to be on the lookout for the pro move, which is an uptrend followed by a fast retracement and a reversal back past the high. We also want to be on the lookout for the evening star pattern, which is formed by the market moving up, pausing, and then moving down. The important factor is having an extreme volume day on the high bar of the formation. Now, the example that I've given you is valid for this move up inside of an overall downtrend. But the pattern also applies when you're looking for a move after a sustained uptrend. Now, there's one other aspect of a topping type of formation which you should also be on the lookout for. When you see the market making a move down, we can see here that the market has moved off of a low. In fact, this low was put in over several months. The market forms a sustained uptrend, but then starts to make its move down. As the market is making this move down, you're going to see very often what I call the spike days. This is a bar in the middle of a downtrend. You can see one here, there's one here, and there's one here. Whenever you see those spike bars when they're on an up day, meaning that the day has closed above the prior day's close, and that the day's open is lower than the close, you want to look at the volume. If the volume on these spike days is particularly low, that's your first sign that you're simply looking at either a test or the market relaxing and professionals trying to get higher prices to further their selling. Again, the key is the low volume. Remember, if this day was going to represent buying or a change from selling to buying, then not only would you see high volume on this day, but you would also see the next day start to move up. Very, very critical information when you're looking at the market, making a move down, and then a retracement back up. It's also a very good technique once you have established that a market is forming a topping formation. As the market starts to make its move down, your opportunity to enter is a low volume retracement. Remember, the low volume is the key. If the market is moving up on low volume, you can bet your bottom dollar that it's not the professional money that's pushing the market up.